Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today we will present about presentation 2 of Engineering Mathematics 2. The title of presentation 2 is Integration. The course code of Engineering Mathematics 2 is DBM 20023. The lecturer name of Engineering Mathematics 2 is Puan Siti Nur Syafinah Muhammad Noh. Okay, the group members of me is first Tengku Razin Danish Putra bin Tengku Razali. The metric number is 01DEP20F2011. Next is Leonard Tang Shi N. The metric number is 01DEP20F2003. The next is me, Muhammad Zarfan bin Saupi. The metric number is 01DEP20F2014. And lastly is Muhammad Hakim bin Sazali. The metric number is 01DEP20F2020. Okay, next is team's role and responsibilities. First is Tengku Razin Danish Putra bin Tengku Razali. Role as a leader. Responsibilities is solve all question has given. The next is Leonard Tang Shi N. Role as group member. Responsibilities is explain the introduction of integration. Okay, next is Muhammad Hakim bin Sazali. Role as a group member. Responsibilities is explain example application of integration in real life. And last is me, Muhammad Zarfan bin Saufi. Role as group member. Responsibilities is introduction teams, role and responsibilities.
Good morning everyone, my name is Leonard Tang Shi En and my metric number is 01DEP20F2003. For now, I would like to present about from the introduction of the integration. The integration denotes the summation of the decreased data. The integral is calculated to find the function which will describe the area, displacement, value that occurs due to a collection of small data, which cannot be measured singularly. In a broad sense, in calculus, the idea of limit is used where algebra, geometries are implemented. The limit helps us in the study of the result of the points on a graph, such as how they get closer to each other until their distance is almost zero. We know that there are two major types of calculus. There will be differential calculus and integrate calculus. The concept of the integration has developed to solve the following type of problems, and we can use it to find the problem function when its derivatives are given, or to find the area bounded by the graph of a function under the certain constraints. These two problems lead to the development of the concept called the integral calculus, which consists of the definite and the indefinite integral. In calculus, the concept of the differentiating a function and integrating a function is linked using the theorem called the permutation theorem of calculus. In math, the integration is a method of adding or summing up the part to find the whole. In it, a reverse process of differentiation, where we reduce the function into the parts. This method is used to find the summation under a vast scale. Calculation of small addition problem is an easy task which we can do manually or by using calculator as well. But for big addition problem where the limit could reach to even infinity, integration methods are used. The integration and differentiation both are important part of calculus. The concept level of this topic is very high. Hence, it is introduced to us at higher secondary classes and then in engineering or higher education. To get an in-depth knowledge of integral, read the complete article here.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jadi saya Muhammad Hakim bin Ghazali. I want to talk about example in the real life. So the first is area between curve. Second, we can find distance, velocity and acceleration. Third, volume. Fourth, average value of a function. Fifth, work. Sixth, center of mass. 7. Kinetic energy, improper integrals. 8. Probability. 9. Length. 10. Surface area. So I will show you the questions. Imagine there is a train moving very fast. How can find the distance and velocity of the train? First, we must find the distance traveled by the train by integrates the velocity of the train, and we can also find velocity in the train by integration of the acceleration. Okay, let me show you some example. If acceleration is 2t minus 5 meter second square, so what the value of velocity? So velocity 2t minus 5 dt, so we got t2 minus 5t plus k. So when the value t is 0, v is 0 and k is 0, so we get velocity is t2 minus 5t meter second square 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Tengku Razali Putra bin Tengku Razali, metric number 01DEP20F2011 from DP 2A. Today I would like to solve the question. We have two questions in mathematics presentation 2. The first question is determine a coordinate of the instruction point at A and B. Second question, we can calculate the volume generated when the shaded region is 300 degree throughout the x-axis. Okay, we can look in a graph and I want to show you the solution in a next slide. First, to solve the second question, we have used a V top, differentiate 3 negative 2 bracket x plus 7 square dx. Okay, differentiate 3 negative 2 x cube x square plus 14x plus 49 dx. This we can use a integrate x square x cube over 3 plus 48 square by over 2 plus 49 x 3 negative 2, and we can change the x to this 3 over 3 cube plus 7 bracket 3 square plus 49 bracket 3 minus bracket negative 2 over 3 cube plus 7 negative 2 square plus 49 negative 2. And we can get 9 plus 63 plus 147 minus negative 8 over 3 plus 28 minus 98. And next, we can get 219 minus negative 218 over 3, and we can get a answer. We can get in 875 over 3 or 875 over 3 cube. First, to solve the second question, we have used a v top, differentiate 3 negative 2 bracket x plus 7 square dx. Okay, differentiate 3 negative 2 x cube x square plus 14x plus 49 dx. This we can use a integrate x cube over 3 plus 48 square by over 2 plus 49 x 3 negative 2, and we can change the x to this 3 over 3 cube plus 7 bracket 3 square plus 49 bracket 3 minus bracket negative 2 over 3 cube plus 7 negative 2 square plus 49 negative 2. And we can get 9 plus 63 plus 147 minus negative 8 over 3 plus 28 minus 98. And next, we can get 219 minus negative 218 over 3, and we can get a answer. We can get in 875 over 3 or 875 over 3 cube. We can find the v bottom. Different 3 negative 2 x square plus 1 x square dx. Negative differentiation 3 negative 2 x power of 4 plus x square plus 1 dx. X power of x over 5 power of 5 plus 2x cube over 3 plus x negative 3 negative 2. And we can get 3 over 5 power of 5 plus 2 bracket 3 over 3 cube plus 3 minus negative 2 over 5 power of 5 plus 2 negative 2 over 3 power of cube plus negative 2. And we can get 243 over 5 plus 18 plus 3 minus negative 32 over 5 minus 16 over 3 minus 2. And we can get 243 over 5 minus 206 over 15. And we can get 215 over 3 cube. And to find v top minus v bottom, so 875 over 3 cube minus 200 over 3 cube, and we can get 625 over 3 cube.
Okay, the conclusion. So as we know, integration can use in many ways in real life. We can use the integration when we want to know the value of the velocity. Integration should be thought of as multiple entities behaving as if they were a single entity to achieve common organizational goals. Integration can be achieved through multiple mechanisms: organizational structure, integrative processes, and organizational culture. Thank you from us. Assalamualaikum.